Hello, my Virgo Libra cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for making a part of Weave Rustler family. So, without further ado, let's try and find out what is this year bringing this month. Why did I say year? This month bringing in. Angels and spirit guides. What is this month like for my cusp babies? And you're not ready to let go of something that you're holding on to. And why would that be? Let's figure out. Okay. Okay, let's take them. Anything else? Angels and spirit guides. No. So the bottom says change. So lady luck is going to shine on you. Okay, there seems to be a 360-degree change coming in your life. Are you ready to accept it? I believe so. Okay, so let's see what changes are coming in your life in this month, which for which you need to be receptive. Okay, but some positive shifts are coming up. Now let's see what is it. It wishes. It is wishes. Let's see. We have silence, turning in, success, we are the world, suppression, participation, clinging to the past, and rebel. Darlings, only if you can let go of something that you've been holding on to, I think everything will start falling in places. Wherever you travel, victory, success is coming in. Don't push yourself hard. Okay, you seem to be having overseas connection, or you will travel overseas, howsoever, or it could be the vice versa. Okay, celebration month is coming up, so yes, it could be like if you've been single waiting for someone, then yes, you guys could get into matrimonial, or there could be proposals or collaborations coming in, provided you let go of your past. I think on the work front you have been overburdening, so learn to delegate work. You may have a tendency to get distracted, avoid getting distracted. What you need to work is on silence and turning in. Stop crying over spilled milk, stop getting influenced. There could be a possibility that you might get entrapped in some gossip, but rather than trying to figure out why they are saying or getting justification, I think you need to turn inwards. There is chaos within you. When you're calm, everything will fall into places, and that's exactly what the positive shift is coming towards you. So if you ask me, work on yourself is how I would tell you, because you have good things coming up. Okay, emotionally, financially, yes, emotionally you need to work on yourself. And yeah, regarding your love we will check, but before that, let's ask your angels what guidance do they wish to give you for this month. See, beautiful. Listen and wedding. Wedding bells are ringing in. If you have been single, waiting for someone, celebration time. Okay, listen, listen. Your angels are trying to reach out to you. There's a lot of honking. There's a lot of chaos. You've been screaming your lungs out, listening to loud music. Don't do that. When you are talking to someone and somebody is trying to give clarification, physically you're there, mentally you're elsewhere. Don't do that. Listen to the other side of the coin. Your angels are reaching out to you through synchronicity, numbers, feathers, unexpected coins, an advice, a WhatsApp message, a hoarding. There will be these signs where they will reach out to you. They will tell you. So shh, breathe. Okay. Now let's ask your love energies. What is it that they wish to guide you? angels and spirit guides. Cassette and sword and the rose. Gain clarity. Uh, you cannot be a perfectionist. Okay, stop replaying the same old story. Remember, you can create new memories, and there could be clashes between power. Okay, between both of you, you need to cut down. Okay, replace anger with love is what it's trying to say. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. We have change. See, can you see this beautiful synchronicity? I just shuffled, right? And that's exactly what it's trying to say. We have changes. So, number 9 going into number 10. You are traveling. Good news, big shifts, embrace it. Positive shifts are coming, Delhi. You don't have to worry. How should I sum up this month? If you could just gain clarity, let go of your past and be calm from within, and do not listen to people around you. Tellings whatever you want, universe is presenting you. I will say this is your month. Okay. Enjoy every moment. There are wedding bells ringing in, but you need to listen as well. I think there is a lot of chaos going around you, is what your angels are saying. Replace anger with love and stop replaying the old stories when it comes to the matters of your heart. Positive shifts are coming. Are you ready to embrace it? Is what universe is asking you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.